Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here you should see this icon, the screen brightness icon. Tap on it, and now you can adjust the brightness of the screen by tapping on plus and minus buttons, like this. And once you find the satisfying level of brightness, you can press the side button to go back, like this. You can also do this through settings, so let's open the quick panel again by swiping downwards from the top of the screen, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, tap on the display option, scroll down, and here we have adjust brightness. Tap on it, and we can select the level of brightness right here by swiping on the screen to scroll through the list, finding the brightness we like and tapping on it to select it, like this. And of course, once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.